What's up guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing great and I hope you're enjoying the videos I upload on my YouTube channel. If you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button too, so you get a notification every time I upload a new video and you don't miss anything. Guys, so today we're doing a curtain fringe or bang. But we are not gonna cut it with a scissor, we're gonna cut it with the razor. Has a lots of texture, it's gonna be sassy, it's gonna be very creative and free fringe, gonna give so much personality. I love this type of curtain fringe. Believe me, you will love the final result. So let's go and start the video step by step. Okay guys, so this is our video. This is the curtain bag I was talking about. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very easy and it works with any length of hair. Like if you have a short hair, medium hair, or you have a long layers like a long hair length, all works with this curtain bag because it's sexy, it's sassy, it's very just beautiful. This is how I will explain it. It's just beautiful. So yeah, it doesn't matter what length you have, you can definitely get the curtain bang this. And I like the razor effect. It kind of gives it this wispiness and pieciness. It's just gorgeous. So I hope you enjoy it guys. And in the same time, like you can, you know what I like about it, even if you wear the hair up. So let me show you. So even if you pull the hair back in a way like this, look, it's just gorgeous. I love it. So now you can work out in the gym and you don't have to worry about how you're gonna look, because look, even if you want to pull it back, it's very important when you cut a curtain bang for your client on the chair, just pull the hair back and let them see how it looks like and how it lay on their face when their hair is up. I love it. Gorgeous. So this was our video for today guys. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel and hit the bell button too, so you get notification every time I upload a new video and you don't miss anything. And as always, I see you in a new video, and ciao for now.